Finding the perfect hair extension can be a game changer when you want to add volume, length, or a pop of color to your hair. But with so many options on the market, it's hard to know where to start. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 hair extensions that have been proven to deliver excellent results. From seamless blends to easy application methods, we'll walk you through the features, benefits, and everything else you need to know. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Luxy Hair. Luxy Hair is a name that's synonymous with high-quality, luxurious hair extensions. These clip-in extensions are designed to blend seamlessly with your natural hair, giving you instant length and volume without the need for professional help. The brand is known for its premium Remy human hair, making these extensions a favorite among many. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or simply want to enhance your daily look, Luxy Hair offers the perfect solution. Key features: Luxy Hair extensions come with 100% Remy human hair, ensuring they feel soft, smooth, and natural. They are available in a wide range of shades, from rich brunettes to stunning platinum blondes, and can easily be dyed to match your unique hair color. The clip-in system is quick and easy to use, and the extensions come with multiple wefts for customizable volume. With proper care, these extensions last long, making them a worthwhile investment. Benefits and usage: Luxy Hair extensions can give you voluminous, long hair in just minutes. Whether you want to add body, thickness, or a new look, these extensions are versatile enough to be styled just like your natural hair. They work great for both beginners and experienced users since the application is simple and doesn't require a stylist. You can straighten, curl, and even dye these extensions to achieve your desired look, making them a flexible choice for any hair type or occasion. Usability: the clip-in system makes Luxy Hair extensions incredibly user-friendly. No need for professional help, simply part your hair, clip in the extensions, and blend them in for an effortless look. The clips are secure, ensuring the extensions stay in place all day. Since they're clip-ins, they're also easy to remove, which is ideal for people who don't want to wear extensions every day. Whether you're headed to a wedding, party, or just looking for a little extra volume, Luxy Hair extensions are practical and easy to manage. Durability: one of the standout qualities of Luxy Hair extensions is their durability. The Remy hair is known for its longevity and can withstand daily styling. With proper care, such as regular washing, conditioning, and avoiding excessive heat, you can expect these extensions to last for a long time. The fact that they can be reused multiple times makes them a cost-effective solution in the long run. In the second spot, we have Hidden Crown. Hidden Crown hair extensions are a revolutionary option designed to provide a seamless and natural look without any clips, glue, or tape. Their signature halo design allows the extensions to sit securely on your head without damaging your natural hair. Hidden Crown is a great option for those looking for a quick and easy way to achieve voluminous, thick hair without the hassle of traditional extension methods. Key features: what makes Hidden Crown unique is its halo-based design. The extensions come with a thin, discreet wire that sits comfortably around your head, blending seamlessly with your natural hair. The 100% Remy human hair is soft, tangle-free, and can be styled with heat tools. Available in a variety of shades, the extensions are designed to match your natural hair color, ensuring a flawless blend that looks natural and voluminous. Benefits and usage: Hidden Crown extensions are perfect for those who want to avoid the discomfort or commitment of clip-in or tape-in extensions. The halo design eliminates the need for complicated application techniques and provides a secure fit without any risk of slipping. They are ideal for special occasions when you need a quick style transformation, but they're also great for everyday use when you want to add a little extra thickness or length to your hair. With proper care, these extensions are reusable and versatile. Usability: the Hidden Crown extensions are incredibly easy to use. The halo design makes them a one-step solution for adding volume or length to your hair. Simply place the wire over your head, pull the extensions down over your natural hair, and blend for a flawless, natural look. The lightweight design ensures comfort, and since there are no clips, there's no risk of discomfort or damage to your natural hair. It's a great option for anyone who wants beautiful hair without the stress of traditional extensions. Durability: hidden crown extensions are made with high-quality Remy human hair, which means they are built to last. With regular maintenance, such as gentle washing and conditioning, these extensions can be reused multiple times. The wire is sturdy and won't lose its elasticity, ensuring a secure fit every time. With proper care, these extensions can last for many months, making them a great investment for anyone looking for a long-term solution. Taking our fourth spot is Irresistible Me. Irresistible Me is a brand known for its luxurious hair extensions, offering a wide variety of clip-in, tape-in, and ponytail extensions. With an emphasis on high-quality Remy human hair, Irresistible Me provides extensions that are soft, silky, and designed to blend seamlessly with natural hair. Whether you want to add volume, length, or both, Irresistible Me offers a variety of options to fit your style and needs. Key features: Irresistible Me extensions are crafted from 100% Remy human hair, ensuring they look and feel just like your natural hair. The clip-in extensions are designed for easy and secure application, and they come in various lengths, colors, and textures. These extensions are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them ideal for anyone who wants to add volume or length without feeling weighed down. Irresistible Me also offers a range of colors that can easily match most hair types, ensuring a flawless look. Benefits and usage: Irresistible Me extensions provide instant volume and length in just a few minutes. The clip-in design makes them ideal for both beginners and professionals, offering a secure fit without causing damage to your natural hair. These extensions can be styled, curled, or straightened just like your natural hair, providing plenty of versatility. Whether you're getting ready for a big night out or simply want to add a little extra thickness, Irresistible Me has something for every occasion. Usability: Irresistible Me clip-in extensions are designed to be user-friendly, even for first-timers. The clips are easy to attach, and the extensions stay in place throughout the day. The extensions are also lightweight, ensuring they won't weigh your natural hair down or cause discomfort. Since they are clip-ins, they're easy to remove at the end of the day, and the process is quick, making them a great choice for anyone looking for a fast hair transformation. Durability: Irresistible Me extensions are made with high-quality Remy human hair, meaning they are built to last. With proper care, these extensions can withstand regular washing and styling. The clip-in system is sturdy, ensuring the extensions stay in place throughout the day. If you take good care of these extensions by washing them gently and avoiding excessive heat, they will last for many months, giving you plenty of value for your investment. And finally, at number 5, we have Glam Seamless. Glam Seamless is a high-end brand offering a range of hair extensions that are perfect for those looking to enhance their locks with ease. Whether you're seeking extra volume or length, Glam Seamless provides 100% Remy human hair extensions designed for comfort and seamless blending. Known for their tape-in and clip-in options, Glam Seamless delivers a natural look with long-lasting results. Key features: Glam Seamless extensions are made from premium Remy human hair, ensuring they're soft, tangle-free, and long-lasting. The tape-in extensions are lightweight and comfortable, providing a seamless blend with your natural hair. These extensions come in a wide range of colors and textures to suit different hair types, and they can be styled just like your natural hair. The adhesive used for the tape-in extensions is strong yet gentle, ensuring a secure fit without causing damage to your natural hair. Benefits and usage: Glam Seamless extensions offer a flawless look that blends seamlessly with your natural hair. The tape-in extensions are ideal for long-term wear, lasting for weeks without slipping. These extensions can add both length and volume, and they're versatile enough to be styled, curled, or straightened according to your preference. They're perfect for special occasions, as well as for everyday use when you need a little extra fullness. Usability: Glam Seamless extensions are easy to apply with the help of a professional stylist. The tape-in method is quick and non-damaging, and the extensions are virtually undetectable once applied. The tapes are lightweight, ensuring they won't weigh down your hair or cause discomfort. Since they blend seamlessly with natural hair, These extensions create a smooth and natural look that is perfect for any occasion. Durability. Glam Seamless extensions are known for their durability. The high-quality Remy hair ensures the extensions maintain their softness and shine for a long time. With proper care, such as gentle washing and avoiding excessive heat, these extensions can last for months, providing long-lasting beauty and volume. The tape-in adhesive is also durable, ensuring the extensions stay in place without slipping. And there you have it, 5 of the best hair extensions that will transform your hair in no time. Whether you want a simple clip-in solution or a more long-lasting tape-in method, there's an option for every need. Always remember to choose a product that best suits your hair type and lifestyle, and with proper care, you'll enjoy beautiful, voluminous hair for months to come. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more product recommendations. Thanks for watching.